Throughout the COVID-19 emergency, the Maryland Department of Transportation has helped essential personnel get to their jobs fighting the pandemic. We've worked hard to ensure the safety of our customers, frontline workers, and our own frontline team. We're proud of the critical role transportation has played in Maryland's COVID-19 response, and we thank you for your help. As Governor Hogan has said, Marylanders still must use caution and limit travel. We also encourage you to bike or walk when you can for short trips. As we recover together from the COVID-19 pandemic, we want you to know that when you're ready to go, we'll be ready for you. Working with our partners at the State Department of Health, the CDC, and others, we are using our knowledge, safe practices, and most importantly, teamwork to ensure that your journey is safe, clean, and comfortable. That's MDOT's mission. That's MDOT's promise. We want you to know what to expect when you and your family travel in Maryland, and the part you play in helping yourself and your neighbors stay safe and secure.
When you ride an MDOT MTA bus, Metro Subway Link, Light Rail Link, or the MARC train, we want you to know that we recognize the importance of taking protective measures to ensure the well-being of you and our operators. That's why we're disinfecting high-use touch points on every bus, every day, with regularly scheduled deep cleaning using an antimicrobial fogger. We've instituted rear door boarding on local buses to help maintain social distance, and we encourage you to leave as much space as possible between yourself and others when you take a seat. We're also disinfecting all rail vehicles every day, as well as high touchpoint areas at all MDOT MTA-owned rail stops and stations. Of course, we're encouraging social distancing while you're waiting for your ride, and when you're on our vehicles too. And you play an important role in helping everyone to stay safe too. For example, you're required to wear a mask or face covering whenever you're on an MDOT MTA bus, train, or rail car. We also ask for your patience in allowing extra travel time. Our operators are trying to avoid crowded buses and may need to pass your stop if the bus is already full. There's one more thing you can do to reduce your points of contact. Take advantage of the CharmPass payment app by downloading it to your phone. That way, you can pay your fare contact-free just by showing your screen to your operator, attendant, or conductor.
At BWI Marshall, we take the safety and well-being of our passengers and employees very seriously. So we spent a lot of effort trying to make sure that we put the right initiatives in place. We are intensifying our cleaning efforts to sanitize our high traffic areas, including our ticket counters, the security checkpoints, other areas throughout the terminal to make sure that we are cleansing those areas. We're also spending a lot of energy putting up plexiglass systems, not just to protect our passengers, but to also protect airport employees. We've installed social distancing signs throughout the airport on our flooring. We have hand sanitizing units placed in strategic locations to try and make sure that we encourage people to sanitize their hands. People are beginning to fly, and we appreciate that, but we ask you to take precautionary measures that we strongly encourage that you wear a mask or face covering. As a matter of fact, many of the airlines are requiring you to wear masks. We're putting measures in place to make sure that the terminal is safe and clean and sanitized when you arrive. And we're doing all of this to make sure that when you're ready to go, we'll be ready for you.
When you come back to an MDOT MBA branch office, you're going to notice some different things. We will have plexiglass at all of our customer-facing stations. That's obviously to protect our customers as well as our employees. You'll notice the employees are wearing masks, and we'll ask that you wear a mask as well when you come in to visit us. We'll have social distancing stickers on the floor. All of these measures that we're taking are really to ensure the health of not only our customers but also our employees, and so we ask that you work with us on these new measures. You'll also find it's an appointment-only process, so no walk-in transactions. Appointments will be available in our online system or by calling the call center. But again, we want to minimize the number of people in the branch office, keep social distancing. Again, many things are available online, so we encourage you to look there first and only come to our branch offices if you truly need to do so.
MDOT continues to work on essential projects while maintaining safety for our crews and the public. Even during this emergency, we've completed projects that will play a major role in Maryland's economic recovery and provide jobs across the state. State Highway Administration crews finished projects like the $124 million Watkins Mill interchange with I-270 in Montgomery County and started work on the $29 million reconstruction of US 1 in College Park. Our Transportation Authority has completed the critical lane rehab project on the Bay Bridge a full year ahead of schedule. And we've installed the new all-electronic tolling system at the Bay Bridge that will save travelers time and money when they sign up for Easy Pass. Crews from both MDOT SHA and MDTA have provided critical roadside assistance throughout the COVID-19 emergency, serving our front line and helping motorists in need. Many of the deliveries you get at home have come through the Port of Baltimore, where our dedicated employees have performed essential work to keep Maryland's supply chain open. As we move forward, the port is poised as the state's economic engine to provide jobs and goods needed for Maryland's economic recovery. Maryland is back on the move, but we still need to be cautious, vigilant, and patient as we fight COVID-19. Our promise at MDOT is to do everything we can to give you confidence in your transportation system. We want your trust, and we need your help. Let's all get on board. Remember to wear a mask or face coverings, practice social distancing, and above all, be mindful of your fellow travelers. And tell us how we're doing, or if you see something that needs to be addressed. Learn more about MDOT's response to the coronavirus at mdot.maryland.gov/coronavirus. The website has links to the latest schedules for buses, train, and light rail service. You can also complete many MVA transactions online and even register for an Easy Pass. We're ready to help Marylanders and visitors travel again for work, family events, vacations, and other experiences. When you're ready to go, we'll be ready for you. Thank you, be well, and be safe.